Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining. My name is Andrei Bondar. I'm a product designer for Matter Labs. And our team created zk-Sync, the KVM solution for scaling Ethereum with native support of account abstraction. I'm focusing on user experience for developers and their users. As you all know, there are two types of accounts: external owned accounts and smart contract accounts, which are enhanced with account abstraction. Before talking about account abstraction, what's wrong with external owned accounts? Of course, you can talk about all the limitations, like security risk, seed phrase, but look at this slide. The external owned account is not complicated. You just download app, copy seed phrase, deposit crypto, and this is it. You can make your first transaction. E-commerce includes a lot of steps: open website, mail, password, verifying, some shopping process, personal data, delivery address. You also have to choose delivery type, add credit card data, and then make purchase. This process includes different applications, but it's more familiar for the users because they know what to do. Make things familiar, and they will become convenient for the users. This is where account abstraction can help us. So, please raise your hand if you know what account abstraction is. Cool, thank you so much. I will not describe a technical part of account abstraction today, but in short, it's different types of accounts powered by custom code and can secure different things other than a seed phrase. zk-Sync supports native account abstraction. What's different in comparison with EIP 4337? For example, zk-Sync account abstraction integrated at the protocol level. There is a unified memory for external owned accounts and smart contract accounts. And last one, zk-Sync here allows external owned accounts and smart contract accounts to benefit from paymaster, thanks to its single transaction flow. So, on zk-Sync here, if you look under the hood, all accounts, even external owned accounts, behave like smart contract account. Talking about account abstraction, it's a custom code that allows you to have a lot of functions that increase security, recovery options, pay gas for someone else, and my favorite, improve user experience. And today, I will focus on user experience in the context of blockchain mass adoption. What is user experience? According to Nielsen-Norman Group, user experience includes all the aspects of the interaction between end users with the company, its services, and its products. To know more about this interaction, user experiences focuses on deeply understanding users, what they need, what they value, their abilities, and their limitations. We have to understand users to help them to avoid the main obstacles in the way of mass blockchain adoption. What is the first most popular obstacle users have in the interaction with any digital product? Onboarding. And how account abstraction can help us here. Account abstraction is the code that can include different authentication options, like mail confirmation, phone confirmation, any social media, and anything that can be implemented like your digital identification. My favorite is biometric authentication. Approve your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, and this is it. You open your account. Fantastic flow. And if we want just to replace external-owned accounts by account abstractions in the context of mobile applications, biometric authentication is more than cool enough. But if we want to push mass adoption, you have to know what is better for whom. You have to learn about users. The next question is how we can learn about millions of users. We can categorize them. We can even create personas that will describe each category. Let's have Mike, who is new in the blockchain sphere, and Amy, an expert with 5 years of experience. In 2017, I worked with some centralized exchanges, and at that time, there was a trend to divide users in less experienced and more experienced categories. For this reason, you can notice somewhere simple mode for Mike and pro mode for Amy. At that time, centralized crypto exchanges dominated in Web2 market. And this newbie mode was the attempt to provide mass adoption for the users like Mike, who wanted to invest in crypto. But what if Mike doesn't trust centralized crypto exchanges and doesn't want to invest or touch crypto at all? Today, to provide mass blockchain adoption, we have to stop dividing users into two categories. We don't have less experienced and more experienced. In other words, Web3 native. We have users with their habits, with something they got used to do. Let's continue about Mike. Mike is a gamer without any passion about crypto or crypto wallet. He used a game console where it's impossible to install MetaMask, and he doesn't want an external crypto wallet. He can connect to the game using Wallet Connect, for example. He just wants to play and get achievements. Can we use his habits and integrate blockchain to add to his process blockchain value? What if the game allows him to keep his game achievements and items in the blockchain in NFT? Authorization to the game account can unblock his smart contract wallet. What about paying a fee? The game platform where Mike downloaded a game can pay fee instead of Mike because of Paymaster, one of the account abstraction key components. Blockchain can add a lot of value to a product by adding benefits, such as trust, security, transparency, etc. Mike can play games as always he did it before, but with the benefit blockchain can provide. Earned items in NFT, Mike can transfer or sell and be a blockchain user. By the way, the selling and transferring can be additionally protected by SMS or mail confirmation, because account abstraction allows it. Another case is Amy. Amy is an investment advisor. You can ask her to help you to invest in crypto. But what instead of sending your crypto tokens to Amy or sharing a seed phrase with her, you can ask Amy to initiate the transaction for you and approve it in your smart contract wallet. This transaction can be delayed because Amy can set the price from and to and add fees and time limitations. What about fee? Amy can pay fee instead of you because you already paid her for her services. she can be a guardian and protect this investment portfolio if someone wants to withdraw above the daily limit or send to unknown addresses. To realize this scenario, she can have a smart mobile phone crypto wallet protected by biometric authentication. And she can log in to the desktop devices with the same authentication at home and office and allow them limited access. This allowed her to work all day without opening her mobile phone for approval every time she initiated transactions, but she had to use her mobile phone in some specific cases as a guardian to protect clients' portfolio. This case with Amy improves security and trust to the blockchain. This is also important for mass blockchain adoption. So we discussed about individual cases, but what about corporates? As you remember, we have to use something users get used to. Employees worldwide have their own corporate accounts they can use to do something inside the company. This personal corporate account can be a way to open a personal smart contract wallet. So this is how a company can integrate blockchain inside the processes and pay fees instead of employees, so they will even not know about crypto. And security department will be a guarantor for these employees' accounts. So risk management from account abstraction is a great tool for this. Just imagine an example. Every MS Office user can authorize transactions directly from their email or MS Teams app. What about entertainment? Imagine every YouTube channel can have its own custom YouTube smart contract account that holds history, video links, etc. in decentralized storage, which would instantly turn YouTube into a decentralized social network. Today, I showed you some of 1 million possible cases because of account abstraction. Stop forcing everyone to install crypto wallet to push mass adoption. They even don't know how blockchain works. It's like driving a car. You can live driving and enjoy it without any knowing how a car works inside. Learn about your users and their habits. Allow them to use your product in their own way with blockchain value, and they will love it. I thank everyone who is pushing account abstraction forward and making this mass adoption close. Subscribe to my Twitter to check more information about user experience and account abstraction. Thank you all, and have a nice day.